Hello, how are you? Today I'm happy to meet you all, participants in the third International Scientific Practical Internet Conference, the development of cultural educative environment, a personality self-realization factor. May I introduce myself? My name is Захротуннимах. I am lecturer at Ибн Khaldun University, Bogor, Indonesia. Now I am PhD student, especially political sciences at UFA State Petroleum Technological University. I will present about the modern digital education environment, the high quality and accessibility of education. I think this topic is very interesting because Indonesia is currently in the process of reforming the curriculum in schools, which will be widely applied technology to create a modern education system in the learning process. When we talk about technology, of course, I still remember communication theorist Marshall McLuhan, who introduced the concept of global village, which one predicted that a time would come when the people would not be limited in space and time. At the time in 1960, his theory was regarded as the result of strange and radical thoughts, where at the time, of course, TV and radio media were still very limited in scope and didn't know internet. But this time, what was predicted actually happened, and we know with internet media technology. Why I say here that the technology can also change the modern education system in the learning process, not in character building. I will quote one of the figures in education in Indonesia, Ki Hajar Dewantara. In this case, also distinguishes between teaching and education. He said that the teaching is related to science, but education is related to character, and character based on reason. In this case, the ability to count, read, write, and science is the result of teaching obtained from the child's learning process, and there are teachers who deliver knowledge to students who study. Education is process of educating, which involves the application of values. Therefore, in education, there are process of understanding, appreciation, inspiration, and practice. Technology can be help teacher teach. Technology will be trigger teacher activity. Technology will be help student learn. Technology can be create interesting learning activities, make it easy for students to find learning resources. Technology can be improve school standards. Technology makes students have a broad insight. But disadvantage technology, that technological progress will also make it easier for violation of intellectual property rights, because the easier access to data will cause people who are plagiarized to commit fraud. With television, gadget, and other electronic device will influence students to be lazy to learn. With internet access and its content, there is already a variety of information needed. It causes to be lazy to read educational books because it has been affected. Finally, I will say that technology in education will be effective if it used in the teaching process of children, but is not effective in character building for children, because character building requires a role model that needs to be modeled and can be seen and help in realizing good ethical values for students. Therefore, the example of a teacher is still much needed in educational area. Cannot be replaced by technology. That is my opinion about technology in education. Hopefully, this will be useful for the third participant. The International Scientific Practical Internet Conference Media. Congratulations, thank you, see you, bye-bye.